listening to everybody talk. It was really nice to see and listen to others. Yes.
Yeah, your job is to observe, right?
That's exactly what it is, Richa. You got it.
So
that means I can add more value, right?
Yeah,
so if I can add more value.
So shall we begin, as it's already 3:02?
Hey, Meenu is here. Hi, Meenu.
Meenu,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Hey, all this time I was just thinking, do I know Nahid? I know her.
Of
I
course.
spoke also. Who's this lady? And we just had a chit chat about you. And then while coming, I was stepping to my office and I said, how can I forget her? She's done. I know her.
We've been connected, I think, for around 3 years or something like that. When I was in Calcutta, we connected. Yes.
It's been a long time.
It's been a very, very long time. I've been good. How are you? Lovely to see your work, man. Seriously, really good to see your work.
So much, dear. Hope to see you soon. Are you in Dubai now?
I am in Dubai. Stay here.
I'll be going to Dubai next month only. We'll meet.
Ooh, please let me know. Yeah, we'll definitely meet up.
Just do drop your number, contact number, so that I'll connect with you. Sure, I think sure. I must have surely lost the numbers.
No, you must be having the India number. That's not working anymore. Yeah.
Yes. So eagerly waiting to hear from you today.
I'm eagerly waiting to speak to everybody. So it's a conversation than just a lecture. I don't like lectures.
I'll just take a screenshot of all the beautiful ladies so you all can smile. Thank you so much. And let's begin. So So a very, very warm welcome to everybody on behalf of my whole team of WICCI West Bengal Homepreneurs Council. And thank you so much to Nahid Khan for accepting our invitation and having her gracious presence at this session. We hope that, many, many more homemakers find their way of bridging that gap from homemaker to homepreneurs. As when our council member Archana introduced us to Nahid, the only thing she mentioned us that she was instrumental in her journey as a homepreneur. So Nahid, आज हम सब यही सोच रहे हैं कि you will inspire many, many more today. And the entire session has been planned, executed and curated by the council members. And I'm very proud to say that कि मुझे ABC भी नहीं पता है कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. And I'm thankful to our regional president Manjula ji and vice president Indu ji for their presence. It really motivates all of us to give our best. And I will now request our council member Suman to take the session forward. Suman, you are on mute.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you, Kavita, for giving me the opportunity to introduce our very own Richa Shah, who is the chairwoman and the facilitator for today's event, and our honorable guest speaker, Nahid Khan, to all the beautiful ladies out here who are here with a dream to be an entrepreneur. Richa is a successful homepreneur and a council member running her organic beauty and bath products under the brand name of Bumblebee. She will take the aspiring homepreneurs through the journey of introspecting during the practical sessions. It's a great pleasure to introduce Nahid. She is our guest speaker today. She is the master practitioner of neuro-linguistic programming. She is the co-founder and CEO of FutureWits, which believes future is more than what we think. Being a futuristic, Nahid considered future of work is based on unlocking the potential of human intelligence. So today we are here on WICCI Homepreneur West Bengal platform to know our niche, discover our talent, and follow our passion to build a business around it. Nahid, I hope this session to be very informative and useful for all the aspiring entrepreneurs. Now, I request Richa to take over and begin the session.
Thank you so much, Suman, for your kind words of introduction. And thank you, Kavita, for literally thrusting this opportunity upon me. Literally forced me to do this. I'm extremely grateful to you for it. I extend a very warm welcome to everyone present with us today. Now, as women, we start multitasking very early on in life, right? We are taught to put our dreams and goals on the back burner, and हम लोगों को कहा जाता है कि फैमिली फर्स्ट है, उनको प्रायोरिटी दो, बच्चों को, इन लॉज को, घर को, and we do a great job, I believe, all of us. But somewhere along the way, क्या होता है ना, वो एक जो छोटा सा स्पार्क होता है, it keeps flickering in the darkness. Sometimes वो एक रह जाता है. A little spark that says that you want to be a little more than what you are right now, that you want to do something just a little bit more, something to reinvent yourself or identify yourself. Now, what is that more? So that is why we are here today, to look at that more, which can give us some answers maybe. So I'll just start sharing my screen. Give me a moment. So we are here today to identify what is our talent or what is our skill, which we can convert into a career. So as it is already proved by many of our council members and cafe members, there is no age to start learning, right? Learning की कोई age नहीं होती है, कोई you can learn throughout your life. So let's look at this session as a learning session. I am learning and so are all of you. Let's try to identify the work that works for you. Now, work it's a balance between enjoyment and hard work. That is what life is, right? So all of you by now are already well settled in life. You're married, you have kids, you are financially very secure. तो इन सब चीजों की आपको चिंता करने की अब कोई जरूरत नहीं है, correct? You don't have to worry about your finances, or you don't really have to worry कि कल क्या होगा, बच्चे क्या करेंगे. Probably they are grown up enough to be independent, and you don't have to look at the day-to-day activities of either your children or your households. So you have more independence now, and you have less responsibilities than you had earlier. So that brings us to a very important question. Why do you want to now? After so many years, why now? It's a very important question. And I want you all to just take a moment to introspect. What is your reason? It would be wonderful if you could write few answers in the chat box. आप क्यों काम करना चाहते हैं at this stage in your life? Why is it important to you? There must be some reasons when you think about working. This is the reason why I want to work. I have a lot of free time, or I want this. Just take some moments to introspect, to reflect upon it, and write in the chat box. There might be many various reasons. सबके अपने अपने reasons होते हैं. What is yours? Suman, can you please read out from the chat box some of the answers? You're muted. Suman, unmute yourself. Yes.
People want financial independence, their own identity, spend time fruitfully, self-satisfaction, and use the knowledge constructively, whatever they know, for personal growth. So generally, it is about these 5 to 6 things.
That's great.
Self-satisfaction.
So you might want financial freedom. Some of you might want self-identity. इतने सालों तक दूसरों के लिए करते करते somewhere along the way we lose our own identity, right? We don't know who we are or what we are good at. कि हम क्या करना चाहते हैं, because हम दूसरों के लिए इतना कुछ इतने सालों से कर रहे हैं कि वो याद ही नहीं रहता. So in some of your cases you might be wanting to search for yourself. You might have a lot of free time now that your children are grown up, your household is taken care of. So you maybe want to utilize the free time in a positive, constructive way. Some of you may have had a dream when you were young. You wanted to do something, maybe you were good at painting, so you want to take it up again now that you have time. So you might want to follow your forgotten passions. These are just some of the reasons. There might be many more. Everyone has their own different story to tell. Now, just wanting to work is not enough. Sometimes, you know, घर का काम करना एक और बात होती है, and taking it up as a career is something else altogether, right? घर का काम करना क्या है, दूसरों का काम करते हैं तो बहुत ग्लैमरस लगता है कि अरे वाह वो तो इतना अच्छा कर रही है, ये तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ, ये बहुत easy है, I can do it, I can do this also, I can do that also. हकीकत में जब भी हम कुछ काम करते हैं in a professional way, a lot of hard work and discipline has to go into it. You need to be perseverant and you need to give it your all. You need to do a lot of time management, right? Are you willing to come out of your comfort zone? This is a question that you have to ask yourself. क्या आप ready हैं to put yourself into that grind and follow that discipline that is required? If you are, then yes, you're ready to start your work. As a homemaker, we are all super moms. We are all superhuman beings. We juggle our responsibilities so well. हम लोग डॉक्टर का रोल प्ले करते हैं, कुक का रोल प्ले करते हैं, काउंसलर, प्लम्बर. I mean, I think I have played, at least in this lockdown, I have played the role of almost everything. कुछ भी बाकी नहीं बचा है. तो generally in our life, as a homemaker, we play all these roles with utmost dignity and finesse. But to start working, you need a separate set of skills. This won't be enough. So what is your skill? What is that talent that you have that you think you can convert into a career? Let's look at the skills. Now, skills can be of various types. You might have some creative skills. Now, creativity can be also, you might be creative by hand. आपको हाथ से कुछ बनाना अच्छा लगता है. Or you might be creative with your mind. Or maybe you're a creative writer or you're creative on the computer. So creativity can be of different types. Or you might have some organization skills, right? Organizing means party organize करना भी हो सकता है, wedding organize करना भी हो सकता है, or it can be as simple as organizing आपके खुद के घर का meal. You all do it on a day-to-day basis, right? So why not now start doing it in a professional way? And another thing is you can solve someone's problem. Now, what problems can you solve? Especially during this lockdown, we have seen tuitions are going online, guitar classes are going on online. That is solving a problem. अगर आपको लगता है बच्चों को पढ़ा सकते हैं, you can give tuitions online. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप कुछ सिखा सकते हैं, say chocolate making, you know how to make chocolates, you can take online classes. That's solving a problem. The fourth option that you have is learning a new skill. It's never too late. Believe me, we have several examples in our own cafe group of ladies who have quite late in their life, they have learned a new skill and they've started their careers. So these are some of the skills that we are looking at. Now let's elaborate on this. What are creative skills? You can give craft classes from home if you are good at crafting. There are so many different kinds of crafts. If you are good at that, you could give online classes. You don't even have to step out of your house. If you're good at social media marketing, if you're good, if you are creative on your computer, this is again something which is very much in demand. I mean, speaking about me personally, I'm really bad at it. It's been almost about a month. I have not posted anything on my Bumblebee page, and it's pretty disgusting. But अगर कोई मुझे मिल जाता तो मैं जरूर करवा लेती. I think I'll have to start looking for one. So if you're fond of this, you can look at it as a career option. I mentioned chocolate making earlier. Handmade envelopes. In Indian weddings especially, this is big business. Envelopes चाहिए होते हैं शादियों में for all the different functions, and people actually look for innovative ones, colorful and nice ones. So if you're good at making envelopes, why not turn it into a profession? आप घर के लिए सिर्फ बनाइए, दूसरों को दीजिए, सप्लाई करिए स्टोर्स में. Photography. If you're good at photography, or आपको लगता है आप कर सकते हैं, maybe you could do a short online course to fine tune your skills. You can do child photography, you can do food photography, or you can do event photography. The choices are endless. You just first have to identify what your skill is. And we have writing and blogging. We have so many bloggers these days. They are mushrooming every day by huge numbers, especially on Instagram. Blogging karte hain, they write about themselves, or they write about children, or food, or fashion, or jewelry, anything. If you're fond of writing, go write a book, start your own blog. Baking. If you're a good baker, we have some amongst us also. Turn it into a profession. Take orders, make your own website, make your own blog, advertise. छोटे रूप में start करिए. Start with people who are close to you, who know you, and then by word of mouth, you will move forward. Now, there's writers, they hardly have time to edit their own manuscripts. So generally, they hire people or freelance editors to do their job for them. This is again another very lucrative job which you can look at, freelance editing. Now we have पोशाक making. भगवान का पोशाक बहुत जन यूज कर. Most of us, I think, have a laddu gopal, or temple सबके घर में होता है. We need पोशाक. If you think you have the flair, if you can get hold of a tailor, get some samples of poshak and some material. You don't need to invest a lot. You can start in a very small way, and I'm sure it'll do well. Next, we look at organizing skills. What are organizing skills? So party planning is an organizing skill. There are so many party planners in Kolkata. Now you might think कि इतने सारे तो already हैं, मेरे से कौन करवाएगा, मुझको कौन order देगा? There are people, but they have their own locality, they have their own fixed clientele. That does not mean that they will cater to the entire city of Kolkata, right? Once you start, you will, obviously you will make your own name and your own clientele. It depends totally upon you. You can be a wedding shopping planner or a consultant. In big fat Indian weddings, we know it's shopping is probably, even more exciting than the wedding itself. So weddings में भी बहुत तरह के occasions होते हैं, अलग-अलग पूजा होता है. Just imagine अगर आपके घर में कोई शादी है, आपको पूजा का सामान चाहिए. If you have someone who can go to Bada Bazaar and get it all for you in one big package, won't it be so nice? You don't have to go there. It's packaged and delivered to your doorstep. So this again, you could also be a wedding consultant. You could consult with the families as to what their budget is and which stores they can go to buy certain stuff. And that is table decor planner. Now table decor is again another very lucrative business which is not tapped. अगर मैं अपने बारे में बात करूं, मेरे घर में जब भी पार्टी होती है, I love decorating the table. I take some theme, maybe a color or the occasion. Like अगर वो दिवाली का time है, so I will get a lot of fancy diyas, any traditional things I will get, and I love to decorate my table. It should be the highlight of my house. So that's again something that you can look at. Think of different themes and what will go into it if you want to market your table decor business. What do you have to do for it? Right? You have to think of different themes and get the saman jo usme jayega and make a package and sell it to people. Meal planner. Now you can be a meal planner as well. People follow so many different kinds of diets these days. Keto diet, low fat diet, high protein diet. You can probably start with a weekly meal planning. Next we come to solving a problem. What problems can you solve? लोगों को ऐसी कौन सी problem है which you can solve? Giving tuitions. You could solve a problem by giving online tuitions. You can solve a problem by delivering handmade sauces, pickles, spices, papad. आजकल घर में अचार कौन बनाता है? Hardly. So that's again a very good market to look at. Talking about spices, one of my very good friends has started the business of spices during this lockdown, and she's already rocking in her business. In fact, I have given her my annual orders for all the spices that we use at home. So that is again something which you can do right from your home. Packaging and gifting. Talking about packaging, आजकल gift जितना important होता है उतना ही important उसका presentation होता है, right? Like how you present food, बोलते हैं ना कि खाना पहले दिखने में अच्छा होता है तभी वो खाने में भी ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. वैसे ही गिफ्ट्स के साथ भी होता है. अगर वो देखने में अच्छा है, अच्छे से पैकेज किया हुआ है, तो उसका वैल्यू बहुत बढ़ जाता है. So packaging and gifting is also, you could do wedding packaging and gifting or corporate packaging and gifting. And this gardening. Thanks to Sheetal Bavishi, during this lockdown, almost all of us have started gardening in some way or the other, चाहे छोटे रूप में ही किया हो. So imagine if you can supply gardening supplies to people, to supply them with compost, seeds, pots, and saplings. You will not only be helping them, you will also be helping to make Earth a better place. Next, we look at learning a new skill. So what are the new skills that you could learn? Here I've come up with some of the options. There might be many more, of course. You can always go on Google and search. So a nutritionist. Mrs. Meenu Agarwal among us is a clinical nutritionist who started working quite late in her life after her children grew up, and now currently she's working out of Singapore. I know of a couple of my friends who started their career just a couple of years back. And there's the profession of image consultant. There are quite many institutes, even in Kolkata, where you could learn image consultancy. Landscape designer is a profession which is not very tapped into, but I feel that it is very much in demand and it's a very lucrative business, especially for ladies who are working from home. You could be a landscape designer, which involves designing no matter how small or how large patches of gardens, and it's an amazing, amazing job. Counselor. So you could learn counseling. Counseling can be of different types. It can be psychological counseling, or it could be educational counseling, student counseling. So that's something else that you could look into. Now, what are the talents and skills that you are passionate about? I want you all to take just a moment and think about three things, at least three things that you think are your greatest talents, or three things that you are really, really passionate about. And I want you to write it in the chat box. It could be any three things. Something that you love doing when you have free time. or something that you loved to do when you were younger. What is it that you like to do? Or when you see yourself as a career woman, what do you see yourself doing that brings you joy, that brings you happiness? Now remember, khana banana cannot be a profession. I take this example from Nahid, from one of our conversations. She just hit the nail on the head when she said कि खाना तो हम लोग रोज घर में बनाते ही हैं. It's not a passion. It's more of a need. It's more of a मजबूरी, you can say. तो अगर आप घर का भी खाना बना रहे हो और आप ऑर्डर सोच रहे हो, मैं ऑर्डर ले लेती हूँ, मैं बाहर भी खाना बना के दे रही हूँ, अब सारा दिन खाना ही बनाते रहोगे तो आप खुद पक जाओगे. So my personal suggestion is खाना बनाने का काम मत करना. If at all you want, hire people to do it for you. Am I right, Nayan? So what are the skills and passions that you're passionate about? Someone, could you please read from the chat what answers we have got?
Yeah, we have social media marketing, content creator, blogging, counseling, dancing, teaching, gardening. We have art and craft. Cooking can be done as being a caterer, not only home cooking. So socializing, dancing, updating about the world issues. There are a lot. We can cover the entire universe.
So see, so many options are there. You people are yourself coming up with options. You don't need this presentation at all. आप लोग अगर थोड़ा सा सोचेंगे कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते, if you really sit down and think about it and put it on a piece of paper. These are my options. Now, if I want to convert any of this into a career, what do I have to do, right? So you could be a painter. If you loved painting, you could be a painter. Why do you only think कि बड़ा painting बनाना है मेरे को? Make greeting cards, make posters, handmade cards are a craze. If you're good at pottery, if you love pottery, if you love photography, go ahead and do it. Try your hand. जब तक आप करोगे नहीं तो आपको पता कैसे चलेगा ना? You have to try something. Now the advantages of working from home. You can be your own boss. Just like you see in this picture, आप आराम से बैठे हैं. कोई आपको फोन दे रहा है, कोई आपको लिस्ट पकड़ा रहा है. So what are the advantages? Be your own boss. Why don't we all love that? Be your own boss, especially over our husbands. कोई सोच सकता है कि husband के संग काम करेंगे. I can't think about it because I really can't. I want to be my own boss. मैं orders नहीं ले सकती. I'm very bad at it. So if you're working from home, you're your own boss. आपको कोई order नहीं दे रहा है. You have flexibility. Suppose your working time is from 11 to 2 p.m. right? And कोई अचानक से guest आ गया घर में. अगर आपका 9 to 5 job है, you can't attend to that guest. But if you're working from home, you have the flexibility. ठीक है, अभी मैं guest को attend कर रही हूँ, then I can work from 3 p.m. onwards. So it gives you a lot of flexibility with your working hours. You're working part-time. It's not a 9 to 5 job कि आपको अपने table पर बैठना है and you have a fixed work schedule. It's a part-time job. किसी दिन 2 घंटे काम कर लो, किसी दिन 4 कर लो, किसी दिन नहीं मन है तो मत भी करो. It totally depends upon you. You can take care of your family. Now, as women, we are always on this guilt trip कि मैं काम कर रही हूँ तो मेरे बच्चे neglect हो रहे हैं या मेरी family neglect हो रही है. वो आता ही है. No matter how good a mom or a homemaker you are, once you start working, these doubts automatically creep in your mind. अगर आप घर से काम कर रहे हो, then you are there all the time for the family. आप काम भी कर रहे हो, आप सबका ध्यान भी रख रहे हो. So this is again a very, very big advantage. Now always remember, ladies, we have to be a manager, right? Not a laborer. आप काम करो, but learn to compartmentalize your time, right? So when talking about myself, I have a quite a fixed schedule. From 6 to 8 is my yoga time. Then 8 to 10 is my breakfast, taking bath, puja, saying bye-bye to my husband. Once he leaves for office around 10:30, I'm free. So 11 to 2 p.m. is my work time. And come what may, unless I have anything urgent, 11 to 2, I am in my kitchen making my products. किसी दिन नहीं मन होता है नहीं करती हूँ, of course, but that is my, I fix that time. इस time पे मुझे सिर्फ अपना बम्बलबी का काम करना है. So it's mentally I am prepared कि ये मेरा work time है, इस समय में मुझे सिर्फ यही करना है. उसके बाद afternoon में, post afternoon, everything else will start. Looking at social media, Facebook करना, Instagram करना या whatever करना, खाना, बच्चों के संग बैठना, family time, it all comes later. Compartmentalizing your time is very, very important. Multitasking is very good, but not at the cost of your inner peace, I believe. So start delegating what you can. Suppose आपको एक केक बनाना है, right? आपको केक बनानी है, आपको आइसिंग भी करनी है, आपको सब करनी है. आप केक का बैटर बनाने अपना स्टाफ को दे दो. He can do it and bake it for you. Then you do the rest of it. The finesse, the finishing part जो वो नहीं कर सकते हैं, वो आप करो. But whatever you can delegate, please delegate. Don't try to be a superwoman. I gave it up long time back. Maintain a daily to-do list. Ladies, I can't stress enough on this particular point. A daily to-do list will make you do at least 70% more work than if you do without it. आपको कल क्या क्या काम करना है, make a small list of it the previous day. I'm very, like, for example, I'm very bad at talking on the phone. So मेरी जितने भी ननद है, जिठानी है, उनको मैंने में एक बार मुझे लगता है मुझे कॉल कर लेना चाहिए. So I fix a day and I write their names on a piece of paper कि कल मुझे इनको कॉल करना है. And once I'm done, I just strike off the name कि हो गया, एक महीना खत्म. And believe me, that is the only way that I get to make that phone call. Otherwise मैं सोचती रह जाती हूँ. I never end up doing it. So making a daily to-do list is make it a high priority on your list. And delegate. Let people do your job. At the end of it, I just want to share my own story, a short story. When I was young in college, I was very ambitious. I wanted to be a pilot. I wanted to be a hotshot CEO of some company or a businesswoman. I never saw myself as just a homemaker sitting at home, bacche palna, ghar ka kaam karna. But life has other things in store for you. So here I am with 2 lovely daughters, a beautiful home. But वो एक दिमाग में जो रहता है ना, when you are young, कि कुछ करना था, नहीं कर पाई. For the longest of time, I was so unhappy कि मुझे कुछ करना था और मैं कर नहीं पाई. I couldn't do it. So somehow I used to feel that I am not good enough. So what I wanted to do, since I could not do it, I used to feel that I am a little less of myself. So शुरू से I tried my hand at a lot of things. I took craft classes, then I started a platter business. I even ran a boutique for a year or two, which was a super flop. And now I've started the Bumblebee. But one fine day, it's just suddenly struck on me what the dreams that I had as a teenager or when I was in college, it was practical at that point of time. But अब जो मेरी life है ना, अब वो practically नहीं है, because it will not work out on me. I can't just become a pilot and keep flying a plane and leave my home and kids and family. It's not practical. It will not work out for me. So that day, I came to the conclusion that I am no less of myself than I was at that time. Only my priorities have changed, so my dreams will also have to change. The reality of your life is never always the same. It will never remain the same. It keeps changing. So with your reality, you have to change what you think and how you feel also. So now I am a much more satisfied person. And I know कि मुझे जब तक Bumblebee करना है मैं करूँगी. The day I get fed up or bored, I will just stop it. Nobody has तलवार on my neck नहीं कि तुमको करना ही है जिंदगी भर. Since you have started, you have to do it. No, nobody can force me. I will do if I feel like. Otherwise, I'll just stop and maybe try my hand at something else. So I want you all to know that it's also perfectly okay if you don't want to have a career. It's okay. Nobody is forcing you. आप नहीं करना चाहते हो मत करो. Just because many other women are working does not mean that you also have to work. कोई pressure नहीं है आपके ऊपर में. If you are happy without it, just stay happy. Isn't that the goal of our life ultimately? To be happy and be satisfied in our own space. So don't take stress, ladies. Through this presentation, if I have been able to inspire or guide or make even one person more clear on their goals, or even if you don't have a goal, I will consider that it has been a success. Thank you so much.
Excellent, Richa. Very, very well said. The presentation was short and crisp. Very nice. Actually, very nice. And it actually takes a lot of courage to share your failures also besides your, success. So as you said, ki before Bumblebee, you had tried many other business options also, which did not work out.
या उस समय मुझे लगता था सब बोलते थे कि तुम तो कुछ you don't stick on one thing, तुम तो change करती रहती हो. Even my family members used to say कि आज कुछ करती हो कल कुछ करती हो. So at that point of time I used to feel कि अरे I'm not good at it, मैं शायद कुछ नहीं कर सकती. Then I realized it's okay. Who are you to judge me? I am only my own judge. If
Absolutely.
I want to do, I will do. Otherwise I will not do. It's okay to fail.
Actually, the problem with women are that we are good at many things. So
no, and another problem I think is we are too judgmental and too hard on ourselves.
Yeah, true, very true. So excellent, Richa. Now, yeah, can we have our guest expert now?
Yes, Kavita, I'm here, all here. Was loving the presentation. Excellent, Richa. Amazing, very good.
Thank you, Naya. Thank you.
The way you've taken us through, what are the options and what you should consider, and failures are okay, man. Those are just learnings. Those are just, you need to go out, get your hands dirty, only then you'll be able to find what you're good at. So that's what you need to do. जब तक आटे में हाथ नहीं लगाओगे, किसी दिन पहले पतला होगा फिर थोड़ा मोटा होगा. मुझे कभी नहीं आता था खाना बनाना, मैंने कभी जिंदगी में नहीं किया था. I mean, I used to cook in my mom's place, but that was just like ना शौकिया, कभी कुछ बना लिया कभी कुछ बना लिया, but never in the kitchen. So शादी के बाद जब पहली बार खाना बनाने गई थी तो दाल भी नहीं मालूम था मुझे. मैं तो मम्मा को फोन क्लिक करके फोटो भेजती थी, मम्मा which dal is this? That's how we learn, but that's okay. पहली बार अच्छा नहीं बना था, दूसरी बार बहुत अच्छा बना. पहली बार मेरी रोटी ऐसे थी और दूसरी बार it was very good. So that's fine. That's how we all learn. बच्चा को अगर आप देखो, बच्चा जब शुरू करता है चलना सीखना तो कितनी बार गिरता है. अगर बच्चे में ये चीज आ जाए कि मैं तो गिर गया, मुझे तो चलना कभी आएगा ही नहीं, तो वो तो जिंदगी भर चलना नहीं सीखेगा. हम सबको बच्चे जैसा बन जाना है. हम सबको अपने अंदर वो बच्चा हमेशा जगा के रखना है. That what, it's okay to fall. Let's get up and walk again. हमें चलना आता है, हम सीख नहीं रहे, हमें चलना आता है. So amazing. Thank you so much, Richa, for that presentation. And before I move on, मैं आप लोगों से जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग मुझसे क्या जानना चाहते हो आज. Because अभी जो रिचा ने बताया, यहाँ हूँ, so I would like to give you what you want. मैं अपना बोल के चली जाऊँ, कोई फायदा नहीं होता. Let me give you what you want. After what Richa said, what are the questions which are running in your mind? I will ask you one question before I start my conversation with you. But उससे पहले मुझे आपके questions जानने हैं. आपके मन में क्या चल रहा है अभी, क्या सवाल चल रहे हैं, क्या सवाल उठ रहे हैं, वो यहाँ पे लिख के बताओ, so that I can answer those things for you. मेरे बारे में आपको मिल गया है that introduction that I'm a master practitioner of neuro-linguistic programming. मैं एक personal transformation coach भी हूँ, and I do also do leadership workshops, leadership coaching, and बहुत सारी coaching. Basically, it's all about to do with how do you transform yourself inside out. अंदर करो ताकि बाहर चाहे प्रोफेशन हो, चाहे लाइफ हो, रिलेशनशिप्स हो, करियर हो, everywhere it just branches out. So that's why I work with your mind. तो मुझसे क्वेश्चंस पूछो तो मैं आपको जवाब दे सकूंगी. प्लस there are certain things that I would like to address today, and since we don't have much time, so it will be better if we are focused. When you start working, then managing work has a major role on managing emotions. Knowing work fails if emotions are not managed. How to balance that? Well, emotions are triggers, reactions. ठीक है, और वो reactions और triggers आते हैं आपके thoughts से, और वो thoughts आते हैं आपके बातों से, words, जो आप words बोलते हैं, सुनते हैं, सुनने को मिलता है, बोला जाता है आपको, या आप अपने आप को expose करते हैं, वहां से आता है. So how do you control? अगर आपको किसी भी चीज को ना, जैसे मैं जब किसी के साथ काम करती हूँ, तो मेरा काम ये होता है कि आप मुझे जब कोई प्रॉब्लम बताते हो, मैं उसके जड़ पे जाती हूँ. नहीं तो मैं आपका जो प्रॉब्लम आप जो मुझे बता रहे हो वो बेसिकली हो गया सिम्टम. अगर मैं आपका एक सिम्टम ठीक करके दूंगी, तो प्रॉब्लम अगर रह गया तो दूसरा सिम्टम उठ के आएगा, वो ठीक करके देंगे, तीसरा सिम्टम उठ के आएगा. तो ठीक कभी नहीं होता जब तक अगर आप सिम्टम नहीं जान लो. तो आपको अगर ये इमोशंस आपके आ रहे हैं एज एन ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन इन योर वर्क, तो वो इमोशंस कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? इज इट बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट यू आर सेइंग टू योरसेल्फ कि मैं अपनी फैमिली को टाइम नहीं दे पा रही हूँ, मैं अपने बच्चों को टाइम नहीं दे पा रही हूँ, मैं अपने हस्बैंड को टाइम नहीं दे पा रही हूँ, या ये आपको सुनने को मिल रहा है कि तुम्हारे पास तो आज हमारे लिए टाइम ही नहीं होता है, मम्मा यू आर सो बिजी, यू डोंट हैव टाइम टू लिसन टू मी. कहाँ से आ रही हैं इमोशंस आपके पास? कहाँ से आ रही हैं ये इमोशंस आपके अंदर? वो जो वर्ड्स हैं जो आपने कभी सुन लिया, वो जब आप काम करने बैठते हो, दिमाग में क्या थॉट्स आ रहे हैं? क्या ये आ रहा है दैट मुझे तो इतना कुछ मालूम नहीं, मैं तो कुछ कर रही हूँ लेकिन मुझे तो कोई आइडिया नहीं मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? या ये आ रहा है कि जब मैं काम करने बैठती हूँ तो मैं अपने बच्चों को नेग्लेक्ट कर रही हूँ अभी? क्या थॉट्स आ रहे हैं आपके दिमाग में? उन थॉट्स पे अवेयर हो जाइए, बिकॉज व्हेन यू बिकम अवेयर ऑफ दोस थॉट्स, यू कैन कंट्रोल योर इमोशंस. Only then you can control your emotions. All right. How can manage work like events with family? Do we need professional change? Nope. You just need to do a little bit of time management. और वो आसानी से सीखा जा सकता है. How do we handle guilt management of leaving kids for work? आरव, guilt किस चीज का? ये कि आप बच्चों को नेग्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं, बट अगर आप अपने आप को सेकंड क्वेश्चन ये पूछो कि आप क्या सच में उनको नेग्लेक्ट कर रहे हो, या एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए कर रहे हो जब आपको काम पे जाना है, या आप उनको 24 घंटे में से कोई भी टाइम नहीं दे रहे हो? व्हाट इज द रियलिटी? व्हाट इज द ट्रुथ? बिकॉज आप अपने आप को जो चीजें बोलते हो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, इट इज अ परसेप्शन ऑफ रियलिटी, इट इज नॉट योर रियलिटी. अगर आप अपने बच्चे के लिए खाना बना रहे हो, उनके सारे काम कर रहे हो, तो आप तो टाइम दे रहे हो. Yes, not actively engaging with your child, then rectify it. अगर आपको लगता है, मुझे भी हुआ था बीच में जब मैं यहाँ दुबई शिफ्ट की थी और काम बहुत बढ़ गया था, मैंने अपना घर सेट करना था, बिजनेस खड़ा करना था. इन दैट टाइम मैं अपने बच्चों को बहुत नेग्लेक्ट कर रही थी और मुझे ये फीलिंग हो रही थी. तो मैंने अपने आप को उस तरीके से ढाला कि मैं शाम को 5 से 8 मेरे लिए मेरे बच्चे का टाइम है. वो सो जाता, मैं रात को 8 से 12 तक काम करूंगी. थोड़ा सा मुझे अपने आप को एक्सटेंड करना पड़ेगा, करूंगी, बट मेरा वो जो, क्योंकि आई एम अ वेरी डोटिंग मदर, मुझे चाहिए मेरा बच्चे के साथ में मुझे टाइम चाहिए, और अगर मैं वो नहीं दे पा रही थी तो मुझे भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी इस चीज से. तो उसको ठीक करो, वो गिल्ट के साथ रहो मत, और उसके लिए काम मत गिव अप करो, बट उसको आप अपने अपने हिसाब से आप उसको कैसे मोल्ड कर सकते हो वो देखो. मुझे पता है, मैं उसको 8 बजे से मुझे उसके ऑनलाइन क्लासेस पे बैठना, तो मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठ के अपना काम करती हूँ. आई सेट माई वर्क प्रायोरिटीज, और मुझे जो भी मेल्स जो दिन का इंपॉर्टेंट मेल्स होता है जो सुबह सुबह जाना है, 6 बजे से 8 बजे तक मैं वो खत्म कर लेती हूँ. मुझे थोड़ी जल्दी उठनी पड़ती है, कोई बात नहीं, एटलीस्ट आई गेट टू स्पेंड टाइम विथ माई चाइल्ड. आई एम सेटिस्फाइड. When you start working with then managing work has a major role of manage. Okay, done. Difficult to set priorities. You need a little bit of time management help. आराम से करवा दूंगी. How to come out of not feeling not enough. How to build confidence? Is being very ambitious wrong? Not at all. Is saying no okay? Yes. How to boost confidence? अब मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ जो बहुत जरूरी है, जो इन सब क्वेश्चंस की जवाब आपको देगा. मुझे इसका जवाब दीजिए आप. Who are you? Please type it in the chat. I need an answer to this question. Who are you? Still searching, Amina. A woman, blank. There's no right or wrong answer, please. और यहाँ पे आपको कोई judge नहीं कर रहा. I love this. A strong individual who's on a journey called life. Yes, Radhika. Very good. A go-getter. Fabulous. A soul in the journey of enlightenment. Very good. Pure soul, beautiful soul. We all are beautiful souls. Every one of them. Too many things in one. I'm a girl, mother, wife, daughter, sister, carrying out many other roles. Last week, I was addressing a conference for women on Thrive Mentoring. So, ये कुछ हमारे women from all over UK and Ireland. And this is exactly where they got stuck, because जैसे आप define कर रहे हो, हम सब अपने आप को, we women get trapped into defining ourselves in these roles. We define ourselves in roles. Okay? And what we are searching for presently. But are women just that, or are we more than that? Let me ask you this. What is it that you like to do? Or you loved to do? सब छोड़ दें अभी इसको. आपको क्या करना पसंद है? What is it that you like to do? किसको गाना पसंद है? किसी को बातें करना पसंद है? किसी को नाचना पसंद है? किसी को बारिश पसंद है? किसी को फूल पत्ते पसंद है? Somebody loves flowers out here. Somebody loves to write poetry or read poetry. Where is that woman who was there before you got married? Where is that woman who was there before you defined yourself as a daughter, as a mother, as a wife, as an entrepreneur, as a professional? Where is that woman? What is your identity? I am Nahid. I love to work with people because it satisfies my soul. I love to laugh. I love to dance. I love going out on road trips and adventures. I love discovering and exploring. I love it when it rains. I love the music that the rain brings. I love listening to music, any kind of music, and dancing on it whenever I want to. Without the thought कि मुझे कौन देख रहा है और क्या लोग सोचेंगे और कौन मेरे बारे में ये सोचेगा कि ये तो पागल औरत है, क्या कर रही है. Where is that woman? अगर आपने उसके साथ में अपना कनेक्शन खो दिया है, तो जिंदगी में हमेशा हम सर्च ही करते रह जाएंगे. We'll always be searching, no matter what you're doing in life. You will always be searching. Reconnect with yourself, with who you are. Who is Kavita? Who is Richa? Who is Archana? Before your roles and responsibilities, you have your own identity. Reconnect. क्योंकि उसके बिना बाकी सब कुछ खोखला है, सब कुछ खाली है. दूसरी चीज, इकिगाई बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है, आज के डेट में बहुत सुनने को मिलता है. There is different types of ways people use their ikigai. मैं आज आप लोगों को ये दे के जाना चाहती हूँ. What is ikigai? Ikigai, if we define it, it's basically what you love to do, what is your passion, right? How it serves others and how you get paid for it. And exactly what Richa came, I came with this today based on what Richa had told me that the whole session will be based on. And Richa defined it so beautifully. इतनी beautifully उन्होंने इस पूरी चीज को define कर दिया है कि मुझे आपको सिर्फ इतना बताना है कि पहले खुद से reconnect कीजिए before you go into finding out what is it that you want to do as a profession, as job, as work, as business. वो सब कुछ बाद में. पहले खुद से reconnect कीजिए. What is your ikigai? आपका मकसद क्या है? आपका purpose क्या है? Not for work. not for your financial. मैंने देखा रिचा ने जब शुरू किया था, there were people who wrote personal growth, financial independence, develop hidden talents. That's one part of you, that's not you. What is your purpose? To live a happy life, to be happy from within, to feel satisfied from within. पहले उसको define कीजिए. Go down to the root which makes you whole and complete. बाकी सारी चीजें आपकी जिंदगी की heal हो जाएंगी. All the hurt, the pain, any guilt, हर चीज ठीक हो जाएगा अगर आप अपने उस root से reconnect कर ले तो. Because जब आप खुश रहेंगे तो आप दूसरों को भी खुश रख सकते हैं. और खुशी चीजों से बाद में मिलती है, पहले खुद से मिलती है. What is your purpose? As I just said, and Richa has already taken care of it. So मैं इस पे ज़्यादा नहीं जाऊँगी, मैं इस पे आऊँगी. Who makes you happy? बच्चे, husband, काम, achievements, accomplishments. Who makes you happy? आज से make it a point that your source of happiness should be you. खुश रहने के लिए कोई वजह की जरूरत नहीं होती है. खुश रहना आपका हक है, और वो हक इसलिए है because you are unique, each one of us. If I go into behavior science and explain this to you, हम सब unique पैदा होते हैं. We are all the same but we are different because हम सब same होने के बावजूद हमारी एक चीज होगी जो दूसरे से अलग होगी. At least minimum one thing which will be different from the other. So if I don't know what that one is, how do I feel enough? I will always be comparing myself with the others, right? What makes you compare? Because मुझे खुद नहीं मालूम कि मैं क्या हूँ, मैं कौन हूँ, मेरे अंदर क्या है. Then I will always look at उसको क्या खुश करता है, उसके अंदर क्या है, उसके पास क्या है, मेरे पास क्या नहीं है. You hear a lot about abundance, right? Gratitude, right? We hear a lot about abundant affirmations. It won't work because वो आपको लगेगा मैं अपने आप को झूठ बोल रही हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि abundance ना यहाँ से आता है. When you know who you are, जब आपको पता है कि आप क्यों मुस्कुराते हो, आप खुद के लिए मुस्कुराते हो, तो दुनिया की कोई भी बात आपकी मुस्कुराहट को ले नहीं जा सकेगी because your reason to smile is you. So when you're getting into redefining your life, that is what all of you are here for, right? आप अब इस मुकाम पे पहुंच गए हो कि आपने अपनी जिंदगी में जो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज थी उनको कंप्लीट कर लिया है. अब आगे खुद के लिए कुछ करना है तो पहले खुद से रिकनेक्ट करो, फिर आगे बढ़ो. Because then जब मैं खुद से रिकनेक्ट करूंगी तो मुझे पता है, yes, of course, I love to cook different type of food for my child, for my husband, but that is not what I would love to be my identity. मेरी identity probably would be writing recipe blogs because I love to write. So it's not necessary that अगर आपको खाना पकाना अच्छा लगता है तो आपके लिए वो काम हो सकता है आपकी रेसिपी बुक निकालनी आपके लिए हो, but that you will only find out when you go inside. दो तरीके हैं, एक तो आप खुद अंदर घुस करके ये चीजें पता कर लो, या हाथ गंदे करो, जितनी चीजें ट्राई कर सकते हो ट्राई करो, because ultimately you will stumble upon your purpose. You will stumble upon what is it that defines you. So this is another thing, most important. Self-confidence and self-belief and self-worth and prioritization and guilt, all of those comes when you don't love yourself. You love everybody else, but pehle sab koi, baad mein main. Equation should always be pehle main, baad mein sab koi. If you love yourself, and there is a very, very big difference between self-love and selfish. लोगों को जब मैं ये चीज बोलती हूँ, especially when I'm coaching women and I tell them that, you know, when we do this particular module of self-love, उनका सबसे पहला reaction होता है, but this is going to make me very selfish. नहीं, not at all. Not at all. अगर आपको सबने एरोप्लेन में जब फ्लाई किया है तो वो जो आपको बताते हैं कि ऑक्सीजन मास्क जब आए तो पहले अपने मुंह पे लगाएं, फिर दूसरे को सहायता करें. That's because if you are not happy, can you make anybody happy in your life? If you don't love yourself, can you give love to anybody else? अगर आप एक खाली घड़े से निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे तो उसके अंदर से क्या निकलेगा? आपको खुरोच खुरोच के निकालना पड़ेगा. You will be scrapping yourself from within. आप अपने आप को, you will be making yourself hurt and injured by doing that. So please love yourself. Love yourself for who you are. Accept yourself as you are, with your flaws, with your imperfections. मुझे ये चीजें नहीं आती हैं, of course नहीं आती हैं, और इनमें से ये चीजें हैं जो मैं सीखना चाहती हूँ. अपने आप को ये मत देखो कि आपको क्या नहीं आता है. जो नहीं आता है वो लिस्ट करो और उसमें से निकालो कि मुझे इसमें से क्या सीखना है. That is what will make you move forward in life. That is what will make you grow in life. Otherwise, we'll always be stuck trying to find what I should do. First, reconnect with yourself. And then, of course, once you have all of this, is then you look at कि अब मुझे क्या करना है कि मैं जो दूसरों के साथ, because when I know that, okay, this is what I love about myself, is when I can say that, okay, this is what I would love to give out to people outside. तब उसके बाद बैठो और डिसाइड करो कि अब मैं इसको किस काम के थ्रू करूं. Because a work or a profession or a job or a business is only a medium. It is not your identity. It is a medium through which you live your purpose. So जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर एक मीडियम सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ तो आप कोई और मीडियम नहीं निकाल सकते. डेफिनेटली निकाल सकते हैं. I wanted to, when I was in school, मुझे डॉक्टर बनना था because मुझे लोगों की मदद करनी थी. I wanted to help people become better. ठीक है, मैं नहीं बनी डॉक्टर. There were certain reasons. मैं गई नहीं MBBS की तरफ. उसके बाद में मुझे कभी ये ध्यान भी नहीं आया कि मुझे साइकोलॉजी पढ़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे ये चीज थी ही नहीं, ना मेरे अवेयरनेस में थी, ना नॉलेज में थी, ना मुझे कभी किसी ने गाइड किया. आज भी मैंने साइकोलॉजी नहीं पढ़ी है, but I'm doing the work that I love, and I'm helping people with anxiety, with depression, with stress, with issues in terms of their professional life, career में है, imposter syndrome, all of those things. And I am able to do all of those things because मेरा purpose बहुत clear था कि मुझे लोगों की मदद करनी है. So when I was in the 17 years that I've worked in organizations, corporates, मैंने लोगों के साथ काम किया है, मेरा मकसद हमेशा से एक ही रहा है. So through all the jobs, whether मैं sales में थी, whether मैं training में थी, मैं change consultancy कर रही थी, मैं coaching कर रही थी, मकसद एक ही रहा है. So I've excelled at anything, and मुझे हर काम ने मुझे satisfaction दिया है because मेरा मकसद clear था. So the job just becomes a medium. Whether you're in sales, you can still serve people. You can still help people. You don't have to have the tag of a particular job. कि अगर मैं ये job नहीं कर पाई तो मैं अपना मकसद नहीं live कर पाऊंगी. Never think that. So know yourself. Identify who you are within. Get your तब आप उसको prioritize कर पाइएगा. Because अगर आपने खुद की identity और खुद के साथ में reconnect नहीं किया, तो आप priorities किस basis पे बैठ के बना रहे हो? बच्चे को क्या चाहिए, हस्बैंड को क्या चाहिए, घर के लिए क्या होना चाहिए, इसके लिए क्या होना चाहिए, रिलेशनशिप्स में क्या होना चाहिए. आपने सिर्फ एक्सटर्नल देखा, इंटरनल कुछ नहीं देखा, तो प्रायोरिटीज कभी सही नहीं होंगी, टाइम मैनेजमेंट कभी सही नहीं होगा. You will always be falling short of being on time. Just this is what I would like to give here today. That आपका self confidence तब आएगा जब आप अपने आप से वापस reconnect करोगे. And not looking at what is it that you don't have, but looking at all those things which you have. एक pen और paper लीजिए और अपने बारे में लिखिए. शुरुआत में it is going to be very difficult because you've never done it before. But do it. Give it yourself as a project for the next 7 days. मैं ये करने वाली हूँ. मुझे अपने अंदर की खूबियां निकालनी है. खामियां बहुत देख ली. That I lack this, मेरे अंदर ये नहीं है, मुझे ये नहीं आता, मुझे ये सुनने को भी मिला कि तुम्हारा ये बहुत अच्छा लेकिन ये नहीं, this is not right, you didn't do this right. बहुत कुछ सुनने को मिला और बहुत कुछ हमने अपने आप को भी सुनाया. अब हम उसको थोड़ा सा बदलते हैं और हम ये लिखते हैं कि हमारे अंदर अच्छाइयाँ क्या क्या है. And not what people have told you, not what you have been told that is good about you. That is second list. The first list should not be what you know is good about you, what you are proud of yourself. आपके अंदर क्या है, आपके अंदर कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आप you are happy about. Just write those down, all the positives that you have. Take it one step at a time. Give yourself 10 days to do this activity, to find out your purpose. And जब purpose आ गया, अब इसको मैं किस medium के through solve करना चाहती हूँ? Businesses can be any. आप जिसमें भी जाइएगा, you will become successful. So this is my contact details. अगर आपको मेरी ज़रूरत है, मेरी help की ज़रूरत है, please write to me. I'm available on WhatsApp here. That's my hashtag for WhatsApp, for Instagram, for Twitter, Facebook. Please write to me. अगर आपको कुछ email, anything that you'd like me to help you via email, I'm available for email coaching also. But don't jump the gun. First, get in touch with yourself and then move ahead. Any questions now? I would love to take because as I said, I believe in conversations. और अगर आप मुझसे जब पूछेंगे तो मैं आपको ज़्यादा बता सकूंगी than me just going on and speaking.
Wow, Nahid, that was beautiful. That was so amazing. I think we all resonate with what all you have just said right now. जब तक खुद को नहीं ढूंढेंगे तब तक पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि क्या करना है. What I am, unless I know what I am, I don't know what I want to do. Right?
It's see, we all want to. Yes, Amina wants a question. Okay, just Amina, I'll just add to what Richa has said. And it's all about, you know, because आप जो भी कर रहे हो वो खुद के लिए कर रहे हो ना, तो पहले खुद को पहचान लो, फिर खुद को satisfy करते. Yes, Amina. Amina, you have a question?
I think that was by mistake.
Okay, no problem. Mamta, you have a question? Mamta, you have a question? You have raised your hand, or even that is by mistake.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, hi. Mamta.
This is Mamta here. मुझे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है. Like I'm facing very bad phase of my life. Okay, financially भी और family wise भी. The thing is, even if I don't want to show my grievances to others, कभी भी मैं कोई crowd में बैठी हूँ तो मुझे बहुत जल्दी रोना आ जाता है.
Emotional.
Right, and I cry, and because I cry, people start popping up with, you know, certain things like ये खुश नहीं है, या इसको बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, या इसको बहुत शायद फाइनेंशियली बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, जबकि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है कि मुझे रोना है, लेकिन I just cannot control my, you know, emotions. I don't know why it happens every time. So how to overcome that, you know, when I'm in a group and especially a family, close family function or something. So I get very emotional.
अंदर क्या चीज रखा हुआ है ममता? What have you put inside yourself? बहुत सारी चीजें दबा के रखी हुई है.
शायद, yes.
Yeah, that's why it is happening. Because when we suppress our emotions, they come out like this. They come out. Yes.
Sorry. So at times क्या होता है ना, when you are facing bad phase of your life, उस समय अगर अंदर बहुत चीजें दबा के रखी, उसको अगर हम शेयर भी करने जाते हैं ना, तो सामने वाले लोग ना, they start, you know, making in fact start making stories with that, and वो क्या फैमिली में 1 का 2, 2 का 4 होते रहता है, बट सॉल्यूशन कुछ नहीं होता है.
नहीं तो मैं ना आप you should in fact never do this. You should never speak to people that you don't trust.
हाँ, इसीलिए मैं नहीं करती हूँ, because I don't get anyone. मतलब even कभी कभी तो लगता है कि मेरी मम्मी के ऊपर जो मुझे पैदा किए हैं उनको भी मैं कैसे बोलूँ, you know. So maybe that is the reason. तो अब अंदर है तो वो इमोशन तो दिखेगा ना, तो how to overcome that?
There are times when in life we have nobody to talk to. एक जर्नल खरीदें, एक डायरी खरीदें, एक पेन पेपर ले लें और अपने अंदर जो कुछ भी है, take it out, Mamta. Because if you don't take it out, it will keep on coming out like this. When we suppress emotions, they get out of control. और ये आपका जो emotional, मैं समझ सकती हूँ, बहुत अच्छे से समझ सकती हूँ. And this is the major reason is that आप उसको जितना दबाने की कोशिश कीजिएगा, वो उतना ज़्यादा उमड़ के आएगा.
Right.
The more you try to force it down, the more it will force itself out.
True.
So just if you cannot talk to somebody, then please take एक किताब लो और अपने अंदर जितना कुछ है ना, everything that you have, take it out. If you have to cry, अपना room बंद करो, उसमें लिखो और रो. Cry it out. Whatever emotions, whatever words, whatever thoughts, जो कुछ भी है, take it out, write it down, रो, जितना रोना है आपको रो. Don't suppress it. The more you suppress it, the more it will come out like this, and also it will take an impact on your health. It starts having an impact on your health. Yes.
Yes, it is. Thank you so much. Maybe I'll connect to you again.
Anytime, Mamta. Anytime. In fact, I was about to tell you that please do write to me, and let's talk.
Yes, sure, I'll do that. Thank you so much.
Anytime. Yes.
Anku has a question.
Yes, please.
Mimi,
yes, please.
I have a question to Nahid.
Yes, please.
So Nahid, this is a new Nahid to me. I haven't seen this face of Nahid, and I'm thoroughly impressed. Just one question. You said that you haven't earned any professional degree in counseling.
Not counseling, in psychology.
In psychology. So no psychological background in psychotherapist or psychosocial counseling, whatever we say this. How do you got this confidence of counseling people? And I can see the way, the nicer and politer manner you are going to the the depth of the situation or the condition, and you try to figure it out from the root base. I know experiences counts, and meeting, talking, and dealing with difficult scenario in your work life experience would have enabled you these things. But did you ever faced any problem when you started your journey as a counselor, or motivating people and providing them solution from the root cause?
I started this as I was a student myself, Meenu, when I was doing my MBA, and it was a friend's father who needed a little help he was doing a coaching capsule program for final year students in IHM, and he was falling short of an observer. So he called me in as an observer, और उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि मैं mock interviews कर रहा हूँ और आप kindly observe करो body language और अपने comments देना. और मैंने जो उनको observation sheets थमाए थे at the end of the session, which was around 35 people I had observed. And he's like, how did you know all of these things? I said, I was just looking at them. और उनकी हाथ के movements, उनके खड़े होने का तरीका, उनके बात करने का तरीका, उनके words. So I am a master practitioner of neurolinguistic programming. I'm a licensed master practitioner. I was licensed by Dr. Richard Bandler himself. And I am also a registered member of the Society of Neurolinguistic Programming UK. तो अब तो मेरे पास में qualifications है, certifications है, but जब मैंने ये काम शुरू किया था तब मेरे पास में कुछ भी नहीं था excepting for just that passion of I need to help people. And वो कहाँ से आया? तो वो मेरी खुद की अपनी एक अच्छी खासी story है of my own struggle through life, of how I found my mental strength to fight the society that I come from, the traditions that I had to fight for my own education, for my own career, for coming out and doing what I wanted to do, all of those things. And as far as behavior is concerned, I don't know. As I said, I love people. So किसी तरीके से पता नहीं कैसे होता है, but when you talk to me and when I look at you, I just get to know what's happening. I mean, I am right now coaching 2 people on imposter syndrome and a lady on PTSD and another one who's going through a divorce. And it just happens.
Fantastic.
Thanks.
Yeah, Anku has a question, Nahid.
Yes, please.
Hi, Nahid. It was really nice listening to you. All that you spoke, all that was given in the presentation form also. My question is a follow-up though. I think there was a nice question asked on the personal emotional thing. I also raised it up too. My working as an entrepreneur, whatever you're into will demand a lot of time management you've spoken about. But when with emotional interference, it's a constant process in life. It takes time for you to get balanced around it. So when you're doing a work as an entrepreneur, sometimes you get entangled into the time management of your mind, and the work you're doing. Because as soon as you into the entrepreneur business, you take up anything seriously and you start growing, you start learning, people start getting involved with you, the work becomes pressurizing, you get worked up. So this word worked up came to me after working, you realize, I don't know when I got worked up, because you start with less amount of work on table. It spreads and spreads. You try to manage time, and then you start telling, oh, I'm emotionally also worked up, because everything seems and everything. So as an entrepreneur, is there a practical way of reorganizing your timeline in a different way, in different phases of your work progressing? Like your work will also go to upscaling and downscaling. So can we channelize a practical way of reworking our work? Because as we learn how to identify what we want to be it in any profession, you have to also charter a chart as to how to keep scaling it up, because then the business might fall off.
Absolutely.
So how to go about that is one thing that I think as an entrepreneur I would like to know.
There are two things. One thing is, of course, we all make, when you start an entrepreneurial journey, we have our business goals and we have our to-do, action plans and everything. Our objectives are set. But usually what people do is they make a mistake कि वो जगह नहीं छोड़ते हैं flexibility के लिए. Because as you keep on doing things on a day-to-day basis, आपका business एक हमने सोचा हुआ होता है कि ऐसे grow करेगा, और जब आप practically उसको डालते हो ना, तो it organically takes its own growth route. And that is when my place is completely full. वो तब आता है because मैंने कोई जगह नहीं छोड़ी थी अपने लिए. I had my work day planned from 8 to 6. And वो इतना पैक्ट है कि मेरे पास में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कहीं नहीं है किसी भी चीज के लिए. So अगर कोई चीज पिवट करता है, I don't know where to place it in. Exactly. So सबसे पहले जो आपको करना होगा वो ये है that अपनी उसको जो आपका जो to do है ना, उसको थोड़ा सा फ्लेक्सिबल बनाइए. Most importantly, अपने लिए दिन में 2 घंटे जरूर दीजिए, because उस 2 घंटे में ये जो pivots वाला चीज आता है ना, वो वहां जा सकता है. Number one.
Can we do it as an entrepreneur? Because you do it everything on your own. You can't have too many hands initially.
I'm one of you.
Yeah. So, I mean, you can't hire too many people because of the money constraint at times in your business. So, can you just...
इसमें मैं आपको ये बोलूंगी कि जितना हो सकता है, for an entrepreneur, it's very important to delegate. और उसमें it's not necessary always you have to hire. So again, here, find out the alternative. Get interns for yourself.
Okay.
Get interns. Yes, get interns. एक तो cost बहुत कम होता है. दूसरा, their work is fabulous. I have 4 interns working for me, and their work is amazing. मेरे in fact permanent staff कम है. I have more of flexible staff because I don't need people that much कि मुझे अभी मेरा उतना बड़ा ऑफिस होगा तब बाद में देखा जाएगा. Yeah. But as of now, so keep more interns, keep more people who are working part-time for you, delegate the work to them so that you have space for yourself. That is number one. Number two, you spoke about timelines. Now in NLP, we do a concept called timelines. It's a very, very powerful tool for time management, wherein we elicit your timelines. अभी अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि आपका कल कहाँ है, आपका परसों कहाँ है, आपका 1 महीने आगे का चीज कहाँ है, everything is in your present moment. Hence, you are worked up because you're working on your future also, your present also. In your present moment, your present space is completely packed. So when we do the timelines, what we do is we empty your present space. So in your present space, you live in the moment, you be in the moment, you work in the moment, and any future concerns come to you in your present state, and you have the energy and the capacity and the focus to work on it. So it's a very, very powerful tool that NLP has, and I know that a lot of leaders that I've worked with, उनकी timeline की बहुत problem होती थी. In fact, there were some that they actually had anxiety when they used to think about the future because the future was all in their present. So हमने जब timelines elicit करके future को निकाला बाहर और put them in their own, particular timelines and particular places, and in a stack, things became organized for them. Their present became, empty, and immediate anxiety relief होता है. Immediate anxiety relief hota hai. So that's again something which is, NLP is very, very powerful for anxiety. So anxiety, I have worked with level 1 schizophrenic patients also, jinki anxiety levels, because anxiety is all from here, it's all your thoughts. And when you give too many things here, the brain cannot process. It's about input, processing, and output. So when I give too many of things to input in my brain and there is no time to, enough processing agar nahi ho sakta hai, is when I have clutter, when I cannot focus, when I have my worked up, when I have a burnout, all of those things.
Makes sense. Thanks a lot.
No problem,
Practically.
my pleasure.
So Nahid, I think time is running out, and before I request Anju to give the vote of thanks, I would like to thank Archana for getting you to us. Otherwise, none of us would have seen this wonderful session today. So thank you so much to Archana and Nahid both.
My pleasure.
Yeah, for this wonderful session. I will request now Anju to please give a vote of thanks. Anju, please unmute.
Thank you, Kavita. Wow, it was a great session, and I'm sure it will inspire all of us for pursuing our career in different ways. Thank you so much, Nahid, for taking out time from your busy schedule and empowering us. It was indeed a great learning. I would also like to thank our council member, Richa Shah, for enlightening us on the attitude and aptitude to start a career. Thank you, dear, for this wonderful deliberation. I take this opportunity to thank you, Manjula ji, President of Eastern Regional Council, and Indu ji, Vice President of Eastern Regional Council, and other Wiki dignitaries. Thank you for your gracious presence. It is indeed a motivation for all of us. My special thank you to Kavita Agarwal, President of West Bengal Homepreneur Council, and to Sarojji Agarwal, Vice President of our council, for guiding and helping us throughout. And last but not the least, my big thank you to our lovely members for attending this wonderful session. Without them, this would have not been successful. I am sure each one of us would be happy to attend such lovely, knowledgeable session, which will surely help us all to look forward toward the path of choosing a career. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Thank you Nahid once again.
Thank you so much, everyone. It was wonderful to be here, wonderful to listen to all of you, and all the best to all the women out here. You guys are powerhouses. I mean, imagine you have come all the way from being a girl to now being somebody who's managed a house, a family, grown up kids. You know that in management, we say this, women are the best managers. And that is true. That is true. We just don't realize the power that we have inside us. So please go ahead, reconnect with your powerhouse and come out. There's no stopping you.
Wow. Truly inspirational and motivational.
Thank you.
Fabulous. So thank you everyone. We close the meeting now.
All right. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Nayel.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.